Welcome to NSCC Lunenburg Campus.
We're a smaller campus. It has a family feel.
I feel like I'm at home. You feel very welcoming in here.
NSCC is definitely not like a community, but a family to me. I feel home.
Well, I've had a really positive experience here at NSCC, and I love the people here.
They're very inclusive and they're very welcoming, so which is really nice, especially for an immigrant, because it's very hard to find friends. That's a good thing about NSCC.
The Bridgewater area is awesome. For a small town, they have a lot to offer. There's lots of shopping, places to eat. You name it, it's here.
Some of the really nice parts about campus is the center quad or the greenway, which is really nice when people can go outside and sit down and hang out. The cafeteria is also an awesome spot. The food's terrific and the prices are great, and the people are really nice there.
My most favorite spot is at the link. We have free prints and free access in Wi-Fi.
We have a fantastic new student lounge, which allows students to get out of their programs and to meet one another and to interact. I think that might be a surprise for some students who might think, a post-secondary journey is going to be in a room of 100 strangers in a lecture hall. We just don't do that at the college. It's just not who we are.
All types of people choose NSCC. There's a space here for everybody. I think the learning experience is whatever our students want it to be. Our staff are very flexible as far as learning styles. We like to have students excel at what they do best.
It is pretty convenient because since I have a 2-year-old daughter who is now at the YMCA, it's convenient for me to just drop her off and pick her up after my classes.
When I'm not in class, luckily NSCC is right beside YMCA, so I'm at the gym doing my workouts.
Campus definitely is a safe and welcoming place. There's constantly counselors and student services members walking the halls. We have a service dog walking the halls.
We have a great network of donors who support a lot of learners through scholarship programs, all the way through small little touches that can help a student get through when they're struggling, like a gas card or a grocery card.
Those are my wow moments when you see their students cross the finish line after they put so much time and energy into their work here and their lives outside of NSCC.
In every way possible, NSCC has prepared me for my career.